Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel for anyone new here, and if you are new, please go ahead and take a second to subscribe to my channel so you guys can see some more fun videos from me in the future. And if you're not new, welcome back. Today we are going to be reviewing the Jaclyn Hill highlighter set from her holiday collection. Now, I only have 3 products to show you today. I didn't get the flash palette. Funny story about that, I'll tell you in a second. But I do have 2 of the luminous powders to review for you and 1 of the loose highlighting powders for you as well. So hopefully you guys can get some information from here, and if you have not already bought any of this, to see if you guys want to buy it in the future, or if you haven't bought these exact products but you have a different product from Jaclyn Hill that you were kind of thinking about buying, hopefully I can give you guys some insight on if this is worth the buy or not. Now, I only have 3 products like I told you because unfortunately little old me is not on the PR list. Talking to you, Jaclyn, but not for real though. I mean, I am a new YouTuber. I obviously am not on any PR list. So I did have to buy this with my money and wait for the shipping. Unfortunately, I would have had this video done for you guys a few days ago, but since there was so much, I'm assuming like shipment going out or whatever, my package did get split into 2. So I had one of my products come in a few days ago, and then the rest of my products come in last night. So I decided to wait to open it all and try it all together for you in one day in one video for you guys. I didn't want to split up into 2 videos. That would have been silly. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I have 2 luminous powders for you guys to try out today. I have the shade Do Me and the shade Brighten Up. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice, very Jaclyn, obviously, if you guys know or seen her videos. She's very into like sleek, very silver, very like diamond sparkles. So packaging just kind of goes perfect with Jaclyn's theme there, I guess you could say. And these luminous powders do retail for $32 if you guys don't already know. And the shade Do Me is supposed to be like a more of a blurring effect to be on the face. She really recommended this for people who were a little bit older, who had more wrinkles that they wanted to kind of blur out. I am not older, I don't think, at least. I mean, I'm only 25, but I did want to get this just because when I hear like a blurring effect or what she said, Facetune in a jar, that immediately got my attention, because sometimes your girl has like dark circles, or you know, even if I do start getting wrinkles, why don't you want to blur them out? You know, why don't you want to just have like a perfect, smooth Facetune kind of face, you know, in real life? So bought that one. We'll be trying that out for you guys today. And I also did buy Brighten Up as well, because if you've ever seen Jaclyn's video, especially like her videos in the past, she's always talking about a glow within. And I've always like wanted to achieve that, but I have very like, I wouldn't say oily skin, but my skin is like kind of like a combination. So I have dry in some areas and definitely oil in my T-zone. When I did hear about the Jaclyn Hill Brighten Up and how she can get that glow within without it being very anything to do with like any kind of oils or any kind of like sprays or anything like that, I definitely wanted to try this out because I wanted to see if it would give me a glow within. And the third product I have is the loose highlighter set, or whatever you call it. This retails for $24, and this is in the shade Extra. And I love loose highlighters. I just think they're so pretty. I like them better than I like a highlighter palette, just because I like to have, I just think they last so much longer. You know, like you can really apply a little or apply a lot. But yeah, I definitely love loose highlighters. I just think they're very pretty. They feel like they last a super long time. I did want to get the highlighter palette, and oh, this is like almost like a heartbreaking story for me to tell. But so my little side story on why I don't have the highlighter palette for me today. First off, when I saw her video and she said it was from Italy, I was like, ooh, fancy. I definitely want to try that, and how it was creamy, and like, you could definitely like tell when she was swatching it on her arm how it looked creamy and beautiful, and I just really wanted to try it out for myself. So I'm in Indiana, so our time difference is way different from California, the PST time. Hers the whole holiday collection was launching at 9 a.m. PST time, and here in Indiana, that is noon. Or, you know, 12 p.m. or whatever. But so I was actually up and I was editing a video, my previous video that I will link for you guys down below. And I was in my room editing, and I had my phone pulled up on the site around like 11:40, just kind of waiting. I was being prepared. I was like, I'm going to get these products. I'm going to review them for you guys. I'm so excited. And at like 11:59 or 8:59 PST time, I decided to go ahead and refresh my page on my phone just to make sure I still had that pulled up and everything was good to go. And to my surprise, the site was actually up and running. So I got really excited thinking, yes, I'm definitely going to be one of the first people to have these products. So I knew exactly what I was getting. I got the palette, I got the 2 luminous powders, and I got the extra highlighting loose powder as well. And when I went to check it out, my mistake thinking, okay, these products are in my cart, they're secure, they're mine, I just have to go get my debit card and put that information in. And I was upstairs away from my purse like an idiot, and I had ran downstairs to get my debit card, not walked. And when I put all my debit card information in, because I'm an idiot and for some reason I don't have Apple Pay set up on my phone. Rookie mistake. Won't be making that mistake again. But as soon as I put my information in and hit check out, I got a little message basically saying one of the products in my cart has actually sold out, and my cart was updating. And when it updated again and it showed me what all I had, the highlighting palette was not in it. I was really shook. But I mean, maybe she didn't have enough products because it was, you know, made in Italy. Maybe she, you know, was really expensive to make. I don't know. Or maybe just a crap ton of people bought it. I don't really know. But all right, enough chit chat, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started. I already have my makeup look done for you today. I don't have any highlighter on. I don't have any setting spray on. I don't even have any blush on yet. I just have my eyebrows, my base done, some lipstick, and obviously my eye look done as well. And a little quick side note on my eye look. I will be doing a different video for you guys on how to achieve this eye look. Let me just kind of give you a little look here. But yeah, so like this video if you definitely want to see this eye look in my next video. But either way, even if you don't like it, your girl is still doing this because I just really love this look. I loved how it turned out. Anyways, enough chit chat about that. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first luminous powder. I'm going to go ahead and do Me on one side of the face and then Brighten Up on the other side of the face. That way you guys can kind of get a side-by-side look at it. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of the Brighten Up into the cap right here. I'm just going to go ahead and start off with a little bit, as you guys can see. Oops. As you guys can see. And sorry if I'm breaking out in hives a little bit. It is so hot in my beauty room right now. Anyways, who cares? Alright guys, so I have a small amount of product on this brush, not blush, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the cheeks on this side of the face. I'm just gonna really do this whole side and just kind of see. So let's see. Okay, so far I can kind of tell I did like lighten up my little cheek area here. Just gonna add some more to it. Okay, so first thoughts, I can definitely see a little bit, it's not really of a shimmer or a shine, it's more of like just lighter, like I guess like a glow within. I don't really know, but it's not too dramatic, and I'm trying to build on it. I'm trying to see if I can get it. Sorry for all the noise. I'm trying to get the product out. I mean, good thing about it, I guess, is that when you dump it out, all the product doesn't just fall into the cap and make a huge mess. My hives are just getting worse because it's so hot in here. Okay, I'm just kind of building it on for you guys. Really kind of going underneath the eye, because I only really notice it on my cheek. Let's try and build it on the forehead and see. I don't know. If I can hardly see it on my face right now. doubt you guys can see it on the camera. I don't know. Compared to this side and this side, I can definitely see more of like a blurring effect in my big mirror behind. I mean, it doesn't have any sparkles to it, which is kind of nice because not everyone wants to be sparkly all over the face. You might, if you're going out to like the clubs or something, or any, I mean, maybe you do on your normal day, I don't know. You do you, personal preference. But yeah, let's go ahead and we'll try the Do Me on the other side and see what kind of blurring effects it has. Alright, so I'm using the same brush. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off some of that product just to make this fair. So, I wiped off the previous product, same brush, as you guys can see, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour a little bit into the cap. Just a little bit. Well, I guess it's more than a little bit, but oh well, oh well. Alright, and then I have, I'm just going to tap off a little bit on my brush, and then we're going to start with the cheek area, okay? Ooh, okay, now this one, yes, yes, oh my god, this one I can definitely see it, okay. Definitely see it with this one. And this is the one she said was for like, you know, to like a blurring effect to smooth out like wrinkles and stuff. Does that mean I have wrinkles? I don't know, but I can definitely see like a nice glow and shimmer with this. Okay, so we're gonna do the forehead. I mean, I have no highlighter on, guys. No highlighter, and you can see that shimmer right there. Just wow, that is nice. And I'm not just saying that like because I had high hopes for this. I was gonna give you the full truth. If it didn't do anything, I was just gonna be like, well, guys, I don't know what to tell you. But no, like, you can really see the shimmer. Like, this has Brighten Up and this has Do Me. And she said Brighten Up was her favorite, I'm pretty sure. But maybe she's just more tan than me. Maybe it depends on your skin tone, because I'm super pale right now. Like, I am the palest I've ever been, which is why you can see the hives breaking out on my chest because I'm so hot. But I'll try to cover that up because that ain't pretty to look at. But yeah, I mean, I'm liking this. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Love it. So pretty. Definitely, yeah. Alright, so before I get into the loose highlighter, little recap. The Do Me Luminous Powder that retails for $32. Definitely love this product. I can definitely see some shimmer, some glow. It's not really like an intense glow. It's like what she said. It's like a glow from within. I mean, I don't have too many wrinkles to kind of compare it to. I might try this product without any makeup on just to kind of see how it does on without, you know, just a bare face. But definitely love this product. Definitely can see something on my face. Brighten Up, can't really see it too much on my face. Do Me, beautiful. I will definitely be picking up this product in the future just to kind of give me that inner glow, you know? All right, now moving on, we're gonna go into the loose highlighter, which retails for $24, and this is the shade Extra. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, and yeah. All right, so there's that much product in there right now. All right, so I'm gonna go with another small fluffy brush. This is also from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration. This brush is the JH09, again, JH09 Morphe Jaclyn Hill. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the product onto my brush, tap a little bit of the excess off, and we're gonna go ahead and apply it to the cheek. Let's see how she does. Okay, nice. Definitely. Oh, you can really see it on camera. Ooh. All right, now it's just a little bit of product. So, super nice. Loving it so far. Not really like a wow moment, but let me try not tap off any excess. Let me just apply some, and I did not tap off any excess. Let's see how she does now. I'm just going to go over that again. Okay. Ooh. Definitely like, ooh, yes, ooh, God. Just going to go ahead and blend her out just a bit, just because, damn. All right. You can really see it on camera, and I'm very impressed by that, because sometimes when I put highlighter on, you can't really see her very well on camera. But you can, I'm just looking into my little camera view right here, and yeah, damn. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some on the other side real quick. I just want to glow. I want to keep adding more and more to it. I just want to keep like, bam, shining. I can't stop, you know, and I want to stop, but I can't stop. I'm just going to go ahead and add some more, because why the hell not? Oh my God, yes. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Yeah, totally loving this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this down and stop, because I can keep applying this all day. But okay, guys, so my thoughts on the loose highlighter in the shade Extra. Definitely loving it. She is just she's extra. She is what she is called. She is beautiful, and if you don't really like a big shine like this, I mean, you can definitely still buy this product and just apply a very little to it and just really blend her out and not add any more if you just really want that sheer highlight. Or if you're, but if you're like me and you are bougie and you're extra and you're just over the top and want to look like this just to go to the grocery store or errands, or just to sit at home and watch Netflix, then yeah, definitely get this. I mean, it's beautiful. It's shiny, it's glowy. I love it. I will definitely be using this in the future. But yeah. So that is my review on the Jaclyn Hill highlighter set on her holiday collection. If you guys want, I can link the products down below for you guys. I do recommend the loose highlighter and the luminous powder in the shade Do Me. Unless you're a different tone than I am, then definitely try and go, try the Brighten Up tone, try her other tones, her other shades as well, not tones. But yeah, I mean, she's beautiful, she's pretty, she definitely brings my look together. Alright guys, so that is today's video on the review of Jaclyn Hill's highlighter set from her holiday collection. If you liked this video or this makeup look, please give the video a thumbs up. And like I said before, if you have not subscribed, please be my friend, subscribe so we can hang out and you guys can see some more fun videos from me in the future. Until then guys, see you next time. Thanks.